How to search for specific videos by YouTube dates. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search for specific videos by their dates. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. In order to begin, you need to go ahead and open up your browser. Once you're in the browser, in the search bar, you need to go ahead and type site and then youtube.com. Once you have done that, you need to go ahead and type the channel names right next to it. Then you need to hit enter. Then this will take you to this page. Here you can see all the videos posted by the channel. Now you need to simply go ahead and click on filters. Once you have done that, you can see the anytime option. You need to simply go ahead and click on it. From here, you can see the anytime, past day, past week, past month, past year. You need to go ahead and click on custom range. From here, you need to simply enter the date that you want to search it. Then you need to go ahead and click on search. Now you can see that all the videos from 2001 to 2025 will be visible, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.